let's talk about this question. In this question, they're asking which AWS service should be used to create a billing alarm. That is very important because every cloud provider asks this question in their foundation exam. So this is one of the important questions. So let's understand the options we are having: AWS Trusted Advisor, AWS CloudTrail, AWS CloudWatch, Amazon QuickSight. So if we'll talk about the AWS Trusted Advisor, it's an online tool that provides us real-time guidance how we can help our infrastructure, or how we can provision our resources with the following best practices which is provided by AWS. So it's a advisor service. Next service we are having AWS CloudTrail. AWS CloudTrail actually logs the API's activity, whatever actions need to be whatever actions taken by API, it records, or we can say the logs those activities, and we can't use it for any performance or billing metrics. Next service we are having Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is actually a monitoring and observability service which provides us the data and actionable insights to monitor our application. Also, it collects monitoring and operational data in the form of logs, metrics, and events. So the thing is, this service can be used for billing purpose. Last service we are having Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is actually a cloud powered BI service, business intelligence service we can say, that makes easy to deliver insights to everyone in our organization. So it's mainly for representation purpose, so it's not correct. If I'll talk about the advisor service trusted, that is also not correct. CloudTrail is not correct because it is just logs the API's activities, so it's not correct. CloudWatch is the correct service which can create a billing alarm because it monitors and collects the metrics which help us to generate the billing, and it will send the alarm to us. So this is correct choice for this question.